Morning, students. Uh, Today we'll be discussing more about master and typing. But before that, we were discussing on the sitting postures, that how to sit in your computer while you are working. There we have seen about the distance of your screen and eyes, your elbow, that how your elbow should exist when you are doing work in your computer, what should be the position of your mouse. You should not be in a relaxed form while you are typing anything, isn't it? So we'll be discussing more on that. But let me tell you one thing. We are working with computer nowadays. That means we are doing e-learning. So most of our time we are spending in our computer, in our mobile phone. And today in Prabhat Khabar, that is the newspaper, an article is given there for taking the precautions, what measures you should take while working with computer. So be sure that you are taking all the precautions while you are working with your computer, because if you are not doing so, then it will hamper your body. Okay, now as you know that when you are typing anything in your computer, we should follow some few steps. The very first thing is that you should never see the keyboards while you are typing. Let your muscle memory recognize the characters which are there in your computer while you are typing. Okay, and and we should we should keep it in mind some few points which is for successful typing technique. That is, press the keys with feather touch and do not put undue pressure. You should not press your keys in such a form that it seems to that you are hammering the keyboards. You should rest your fingers on home row while typing. You know what is the home row? The middle row of the keyboard is your home row. All your fingers should fall naturally on the key so that each key rests on the top of the next key along the same horizontal row. You should release your key immediately as soon you press. You should not look at the keyboard while you are typing. Press the keys only with the fingers which it has been allotted. Sorry, it has been allotted. You should press all the keys in equal intervals in a rhythmic form. Okay, that means you should press the keys in such a way that it gives you some rhythm sound, and you should always press the key only with those fingers which have been allotted. That means in the last class I had shown you where your finger should rest and which finger is allocated for what keys. So you have to follow that. And also we have seen that there was one guide key. Do you remember which was the guide key? F and J. Yes, F and J was known as the guide key. So your index finger should rest on F and J. You should not take any mental stress while you are typing. Okay, and you should also maintain patience if committed mistake in early stage. Now if you want to use some content for typing, then uh, don't worry about it. There are many freeware software, that is FOSS, that is free and open source software, which is designed to learn typing skills on the computer. So one of it which is there in our lesson is Rapid Typing Tutor. So you can download the Rapid Typing Tutor from the internet and get it installed. Okay, so there are various lessons given which you have to follow one by one, so that you are able to get some speed uh, while typing. So in early stages you won't get the speed, but as so on you go on practicing, surely you will be getting the speed. So nowadays, this by getting the master in typing, you can also get some job, that is you can get part-time job while you are doing your studies. So you can earn some money for your pocket, so that you don't ask money from your guardian. Also it can help you in getting job. Okay, so you can be a PA, or you can work with any firm. You can take the document and you can get it in a soft copy. So there also you can do some job in early stage also. Touch typing can be learned by performing special exercise. There are stages. As stage 1, in stage 1 the process begins with learning the home row of the keyboard. You should not look the keyboard, it is strictly forbidden. Stage 2 involves memorizing frequently used syllables and typing words containing these syllables. Okay? So you should memorize the keys. Don't try to look at the keyboard and type the keys. And the third stage, it involves typing actual text to perfect the skill required. So there are three stages. The first one is the learning your home row keys. Second stage, memorizing frequently all the syllables. And the third stage is to involve the typing, actual typing text to perfect the skills required. So there are three stages which are very very important in touch typing. After installing your Rapid Typing, if you open it, you will be getting this screen on your monitor. So there exist three horizontal buttons. In the right corner, options about the help. Three vertical buttons in the top left corner, where lesson, statistics and lesson editor is there. Then you are having the text panel. What is text panel? The area where the text to be typed is displayed. The next is the lesson control panel, which includes several controls to pause, to resume the current lesson, to enable or disable the sounds, and to also adjust the volume of the sound. Then is your keyboard, which is a virtual keyboard, which will help you to learn touch tapping with all the 10 fingers. You can customize its appearance in the lesson section. To begin with the lesson, that is to start your first lesson in touch typing, what you have to do, you have to select the keyboard layout, level and lesson category on the taskbar shown below. There are basically four drop down lists in the top left corner of the screen. So therefore, moving from the left to right, the procedure will be as follows. That is what the very first what you have to do, choose the layout. That means the language of the keyboard, that is en shows you the English language. Then select a level. There are three levels available: introduction, beginner. So you will be taking first as a beginner, as shown here on the screen. So you will be taking the beginners one. Okay. Next, specify the lesson category. Depending on the level chosen, the available categories may vary. Next, finally, choose the lesson that you want. And when everything is ready, press any key and then put your fingers in the initial position, as we all have read in the earlier classes. When you complete the lesson, then you get the result window. The result window is what? The statistics of your working which in your rapid typing, that what was your accuracy, what was the speed, okay, what was the delay time while stroking the keys. So those things you can simply, you can get it in by the result window. So the result window shows you in different colors, okay, and each color states some of the reason. So let me show you and tell you about what are the colors which you get after doing your typing. Now the color indicators are green. What is the green color indicator? It indicates that all the key which you have entered, that means you have pressed, are the right inputs. That means it denotes the right inputs. Then the next color which shows is the yellow color. What is the significance of yellow color? It says that you have got the input characters, but you have not press the key in the perfect time. That means this yellow letters stand for right input exceeding the acceptable time frame. Then shows the red color. What is the significance of the red color? It denotes wrong input when the, and also within the acceptable time frame. One more color is being shown there, that is the orange color. The orange indicator is what? It indicates wrong input and also you have exceeded the acceptable time frame. So these all four colors are the indicators which gives the result about your statistics. That means what you have done in for your typing, what mistakes you have committed, what was your correct keystrokes, okay, and what was your delay during the typing. Now there were many lessons. One by one you have to do all the lessons so that you get perfection while you are typing. Now if you have done few lessons, then at a glance you can see all the lessons statistics, that is result statistics, on in your screen by the help of what? Overall statistics and progress of your typing option, that is the lesson statistics. So this screen which I am showing you, this screen indicates about your accuracy, speed. Your speed is checked with what? WPM. What is that? Word per minute what you have typed. So it also shows you the slow down words. It shows you the overall ratings. It shows the time spent, how much time you have spent. It shows the how many words you have typed, words fixed, characters typed, character fixed. So these all shows your result statistics, that what performance you have done while you were doing your lesson in rapid typing. So this is the lesson statistics, that is the overall result. In our rapid typing we are typing the keys, that is the alphabets. You can also learn for the digit keys, that is the digits which are used while you are typing. So we are having basics, we are having shift keys, we are having digit keys, we are having numeric pad. So in all these four things you will be getting various lessons. As you can see on the screen, that if I want to use the shift key button, so there are lessons given as lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, 4 to lesson 9. So one by one you should practice all the lessons, okay, for basics, for shift keys, for digit keys, and for the numeric pad. Now let me tell you about the descriptions of typing speed types. The type is WPM. What does it mean? The number of words typed in a 1 minute period of time. Then it is net WPM. It means the word per minute without words with errors. Then it shows CPM, that is the characters typed in a 1 minute period of time. Then is net CPM, that means the CPM without characters with error. Then we are having KPM, that is the number of keystrokes in a minute period of time. And last is the net kpm, that means the kpm without keystroke. That kpm is what? Keys per minute without keystrokes with errors. So these are the table lists that defines the descriptions of typing speed type. Now, how can you rate the overall rating? So, overall rating percentages net speed by course goal, that is the speed into 100%, where net speed is net WPM, net CPM or net KPM. The values depends on the current options. And course goal speed is customized in the options for each course. Now, can you tell me what is the professional typist speed? So it can go more than 1 WPM. That means in 1 minute, a person is there who can type the characters to 120 WPM, that is 120 words per minute. An average professional typist usually type in the speed of 50 to 80 word per minute. Okay, and if you want to get the job for typist or for any other steno, then the requirement is about 60 words or 70 words per minute. So you can get the job also for as a typist as a part-time job where you can earn some money as your pocket money. Okay, so it is very beneficial to you also. Now I'm giving you some practice exercise. I'm showing you on the screen. You can pause your screen to do the practice. Okay, so left key hand type, the right hand key type. Next is this. So you can pause your screen. You can write somewhere on the paper and practice a lot so that you are typing it as a professional. So you don't have to see the keys while you are typing. Try to memorize all the keys. You can do it easily, but it needs a practice. So all these questions A to F you have to practice in your computer. Okay, so you are getting a lot of time nowadays at home, so try to learn something. Okay, and along with this I will be giving you some questions which you have to do it in your copy. So these questions I will be giving you in a PDF form. You have to do all the questions in your note copy. You should prepare your note copy, okay, and you should write it neatly so that you can get good score marks for your practical examination. So be sure that you complete all the works which I am giving you in this class. Okay, so hopefully I will, we should follow the rules which are required for typing, and you will complete all your job which I am giving you in a PDF form. And when the school reopens, you have to submit your copies so that you are getting the marks for your practical examination also. Okay, so thank you.